Now, this is going to be my third song for the afternoon. And the title of this song is, ito yung song na kinanta ko ng blind auditions ng The Voice. And I'm not sure if alam niyo po itong song na to. Alam niyo ba ba ito? Alam niyo ba ito? And yun, this is for everyone sa lahat mga taong sumusuporta sa akin. This song, ibig sabihin nito, long story short, I wanna grow old with all of you. So, kaya, get your medicine when you're build your fire if the furnace breaks. Oh, it could be so nice growing old with you. I'll miss you. I'll give my cold when you are cold, and I will need you in time. The remote control, so let me do the dishes in our kitchen sink. Put it away when you've had too much to drink. Oh, I can be the man who grows old with you. Make you smile and you're sad. Carry around when you're afraid it's a step. Love you too. Of course, please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram account at HatesMeJK. And wag na wag kalimutan manood ang Pangako Sa'yo. Monday to Friday, primetime bida mo yan. Huwag na kalimutan manood kasi marami tayong kaabangan sa Pangako Sa'yo. And love you too, okay? Now, this is going to be my last song for the afternoon. Oh, my last song for the afternoon. And ito yung song, this is the carrier single of my album. Para sa'yo. And maybe for some people, baka memorize nila yung song. Memorize na. So, now, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna sing the song and I'm gonna hand this mic, ipapalapit ko sa mouth nyo, sa bibig nyo, and you sing the song. O, diba? Nagsiupuan ng mga nasa harap. Sabi na nga ba eh. Diba? Pantakot ko yan, basta. Sino nakaka-memorize ng song ito? Sino may alam ng song ito? Para sa'yo. Ikaw. Maganda ka. So now, I'm gonna sing the carrier single para sa'yo.
Kabisado mo yan!
Sa iyo